love fried food. Everybody loves fried food. I mean, the world lives off fried food. Yeah? Yeah, like, okay, so let's discuss this. I like fried food probably more than you like fried food because I'm a Southern girl, okay? I am from South Georgia. I love me some fried chicken and some french fries. I love deep country fried food, okay? But because I'm on this healthy lifestyle journey, I've learned how to change my eating habits where I eat healthy now. So when I want my fried foods, I know how to cook it and it's in a better way and it's less fattening. And guess what? I still keep all of this. The body, I still keep it all. And I don't have to worry about fat or feel guilty about it. So if you're new to my channel, my name is Angel and welcome. My channel is everything lifestyle, so from beauty and fashion to do-it-yourself to food and healthy recipes, covers pretty much everything in my life. So if that's something that interests you, be sure to click the subscribe button. Also, be sure to click that notifications tab because it'll let you know when I upload a video. Alright, so who's ready to know how to eat fried food? Okay, I know I am. Well, let's first explain what's gonna happen today. So today we're gonna make some fried chicken tenders, some fried onion rings, and some french fries. Well, I don't really do a lot of potatoes because I'm trying to stay away from starch. But I do the onion rings and my husband does the potatoes. But we're gonna cook all of it tonight so you can see how to cook it in a healthier way, a better way. So, you know, when you have that taste for fried food, you're like, man, I just really want me some fried food. Well, this is how you do it, and you can kill that urge as well as kill the carbs and the fat along with it. And you ain't gotta worry about or feel guilty about eating fried food, right? Yeah, that's the whole point of going on a healthy lifestyle change. And I also have loaded past videos of things that I ate in a day. So I showed you my meals throughout the day, some of the things that I eat on a regular basis. I also will share with you some healthy snacks, some junk food, because we all love to snack and munch on junk food, but I share with you some healthy junk food so you don't have to feel guilty about snacking on it. I also will share with you some desserts that are very much more health friendly so you don't have to feel guilty about eating those either when you have that sweet tooth. So make sure to go check those videos out if you haven't. I will link them below. Who ready to get started? All right, let's do it. Okay, so to start, let me introduce you to my husband and I's best friend. Okay, you ready? You see this? You see this bad boy? Yeah, this is our best friend. It is an air fryer. Have you ever heard of one? An air fryer. Yeah, it looks like an egg, but it's an air fryer. What does it do? It fries with air. Yeah, air. That's it. Air. And it cooks really quickly. So we're going to be cooking some chicken strips. These that we're cooking today are gluten-free. Yes, gluten-free. They're Simply Smart by Purdue chicken tenders. So these things has no antibiotics. Great for all vegetarian diet. It's all natural white meats. It's fewer calories. It's 40% less fat. No hormones added, which is really what you want. Do you know how many hormones added to chicken these days? Yeah, so watch out for that. No steroids added either. We use another brand too as well. You can find them in the grocery stores, but just make sure to look for the no hormones added, the no steroids, the gluten-free, because you don't want the gluten, and it's very low carbs, super low carbs, so you don't have to worry about that either. But yes, this is what we're gonna cook today. And we're also gonna do these gluten-free onion rings. These are by Iron, and same thing here. It's no wheat or gluten. It's no milk, no eggs, no peanuts, no soy. So again, it's a more health conscious type of onion ring, and of course this is a vegetable because it's onions. So and it's very, very low on carbs as well, and removing that gluten, it helps a lot. But yeah, so we're gonna do these onion rings, and then we're just gonna do regular fries for the hubs. Like I said, I'm not really gonna do a lot of fries, but it's just regular fries. Because there's no bread on it, I'm gonna show you how we do it. So for each one, we're gonna do the same process for all of them. We're gonna put them in this little bowl first. It's just a little mixing bowl. I usually eat, like, I don't eat a lot, guys. So I do 2 chicken tenders. My husband does more, but I'm just gonna show you how we cook. You put your chicken tenders in the bowl, and then we just add just a hair, like literally less than a teaspoon of, this is extra virgin olive oil. It's just a little bit, literally just a little bit. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna toss it some. So this is just gonna give it a little bit of crispiness. So that's all you want to do is just toss it to get enough coating. See it in there? So now we're actually gonna put it in the air fryer, okay? The air fryer is very simple to work, guys, literally. So don't judge it because we use it all the time. Because you can cook, you can bake, you can use this for a lot of stuff. So we use ours constantly. You just put your tenders in the air fryer. It's really big, by the way. I don't know, can you see this? It's huge in here. Like, you can put so much in here. Yeah, you just stick your tenders in there, and since I'm just doing enough for you right now, and we cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so the timer just went off for the chicken, and woo-hoo, can you see it? I don't know if you can see that. That's how they look. They look amazing, nice and crisp and tender. All right, so we're gonna get the chicken out. Another piece of advice, somewhere in the middle of it cooking, you can also pull it out and turn it over so that both sides can cook. That helps too to get crispiness all over it. We're gonna do the onion rings. So we're gonna do it the same exact way. We're gonna just put some in this little mixing bowl here. These are really big, by the way. Again, I don't eat like a lot. And I'm just gonna pull a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, just a little bit, guys. Doesn't even take a lot, seriously, just a little bit. And we're just gonna toss this. You can do it like this. You can do it with your hand if you want to. But you know, however you want to. Same thing. We're just gonna toss it in here. You never want to pour oil in this air fryer, guys. Never, ever. You just put your items in there, and it looks like this. And we're gonna stick it in here. It's so easy to work. And we're gonna put this for 10 minutes as well. So, and you can follow the direction that you get with your air fryer, but a lot of stuff cooks between 5 and 20 minutes. You just have to find what works for your crispiness. So, I'm doing 10 minutes for this. And I'll probably pull it out somewhere in between to toss them and turn them over. Oh yeah, guys, so you can also cook all of this together in one bin in the air fryer in the basket. I'm just doing it separate to show you guys like what I do for each one. And like fries usually cook twice as long. Like it takes fries maybe like 19-20 minutes to cook, whereas my onion rings and chicken tenders take 10 minutes. And a lot of times I just cook them both together. But I just did it separate to show you guys, but you do not have to do that because it takes more time. You can throw them both in there in 10 minutes and cook them both and be done. So the onion rings are done. This is how they look. Can you see them? We're doing fries now. The same thing. You just toss it in oil and then you put it in the air fryer and cook it 10 minutes. Fries just finished and this is how they look. All right, so here are the fries and here are the chicken tenders and onion rings. Don't they look delicious? So if you have enjoyed this video and you found it helpful to you, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. I greatly appreciate it. Leave me comments as well because I love reading comments. So be sure to do that. And until the next time, you guys, I will talk to you later. And I hope you have a great week.